Let's take a closer look at the Volvo XC90, the Swedish flagship SUV. Produced in its second generation since 2015, this global E-segment SUV has redefined luxury and safety within Volvo's lineup. Positioned at the very top of the range, above the XC60 and XC40, it's an excellent option for those seeking an uncompromising premium family car. If you're looking for a spacious, luxury SUV available in petrol, diesel, and hybrid versions with front or all-wheel drive and are considering options like the BMW X5 or Audi Q7, stay tuned. We take a closer look at the XC90 to see what it's truly capable of. Overview. The Volvo XC90 may not be striking with its aggressive styling, but it offers something much more important: timeless elegance and a huge dose of practicality. It's a substantial SUV with a raised suspension, providing excellent road visibility and an incredible sense of interior space. Technically, the XC90 is an extremely advanced car, designed with maximum occupant protection and an innovative approach to engineering. It's based on Volvo's flagship modular scalable product platform, which shares engine and suspension components with the entire range of top-of-the-line Volvo models, including the S90 and V90. This review focuses on the 2018 model and the Momentum trim level destined for the Japanese market. It's worth noting that the car's specifications and design may vary slightly depending on the market. These differences include the appearance of the bumpers, lighting, interior trim, and available digital instrument cluster options. The XC90 looks stunning with its advanced Thor's Hammer LED headlights. Despite its impressive dimensions of 495 centimeters in length, 193 centimeters in width, and 177 centimeters in height, the silhouette is anything but overweight. It's only up close that this car truly feels enormous. In profile, you'll quickly notice the massive hood, which occupies a significant portion of the vehicle's overall body. Compared to the smaller XC60, the flagship XC90 is 26 centimeters longer, 11 centimeters taller, and 3 centimeters wider. Ride quality and chassis. Although the XC90 is certainly one of the largest SUVs, it handles surprisingly well off-road thanks to its impressive ground clearance of 23.8 centimeters. Opting for the air suspension and adaptive shock absorbers gives you an adjustable range of 9 centimeters. The body lowers upon entry and for higher motorway speeds. Additional lowering of the rear can be initiated via a button located in the boot. This model is equipped with intelligent all-wheel drive, which distributes power between the axles, significantly improving traction in challenging winter conditions and on slippery surfaces. In terms of handling, the XC90 prioritizes relaxation and safety. The suspension effortlessly filters out road irregularities, ensuring a smooth ride without any jarring jolts or noises in the cabin. Compared to its German rivals, the Volvo has a noticeably softer ride, making it an excellent motorway vehicle, although it can exhibit some body roll when cornering tightly. The front suspension is double wishbone, while the rear features an innovative composite leaf spring design that significantly improves stability and damping quality. Optimally tuned power steering makes maneuvering in narrow streets much easier and is made even more convenient by the reasonable turning circle of 5.9 meters and the standard cameras, which are essential for a car of this size. Visibility all-round is exceptional, and the large side mirrors provide optimal visibility. However, due to their size, drivers must pay careful attention during very sharp turns to avoid overlooking pedestrians. Fortunately, Volvo is synonymous with safety, so the XC90 features a full suite of active safety systems, including pilot assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic braking systems that activate if there is a risk of collision with another vehicle or obstacle. The cabin's soundproofing is class-leading, enabling passengers to hold quiet conversations at speeds in excess of 140 kilometers per hour and enjoy the utmost comfort on long journeys. Interior and luggage capacity. The interior exudes true Scandinavian luxury. Notably, the cabin feels enormous. It far surpasses similar-sized SUVs in terms of interior space, a fact that is reflected in the wheelbase of over 298 centimeters, which guarantees ample legroom for all passengers. Passengers will also appreciate the generous headroom and excellent cabin ambience achieved through the lighting. The dashboard is a masterpiece of ergonomic and minimalist design. Conventional buttons have been replaced by a central vertical 9-inch Sensus screen that operates in much the same way as a tablet. However, it must be accepted that the menu is not completely intuitive and requires some familiarization. The instruments in front of the driver are fully digital 12.3-inch screen, and extremely easy to read at any time, day or night. The steering wheel, while very elegant in its luxurious design, offers a wide range of adjustments, and its highly intuitive controls are a pleasure to use. Advanced multi-zone automatic climate control comes as standard, with individual vents for each of the 3 rows of seats. The air conditioning effortlessly maintains an ideal temperature and air quality thanks to the interior air quality system, ensuring a healthy environment for each passenger throughout the spacious interior. The front seats, which are well known as some of the finest in the motor industry, are perfectly contoured and offer full electrical adjustment. In the rear, you'll find independently adjustable seats offering ample space, making this the ultimate family car. Both rows of seats are heated depending on the trim level selected, may also feature ventilation. An impressive 705 liters of capacity is offered by the trunk in a 5-seater configuration with 2 rows of seats. This drops to 670 liters in the 7-seater version when the 3rd row of seats is folded down. For comparison, the smaller XC90 offers 505 liters as standard, while the equivalent BMW offers 650 liters. With all 7 seats in use, luggage space drops to 451 liters. These are excellent figures. Folding the 2nd row seatbacks creates a cavernous 1,886 liters of cargo space with a nearly flat floor measuring 204 centimeters in length, ready to tackle even the biggest logistics challenges you might face around the weekend.
Price at BEFORWARD. Similar Volvo XC90 you can buy at BEFORWARD. The 2nd generation model 2015 onwards starts from around $9,000 US. Explore stock of almost 400 Volvo XC90, both left-hand drive and right-hand drive, at BEFORWARD.JP. The right one might be closer than you think. Check the link in the description below for current stock and pricing. Our inventory is updated daily.
Engine. The Volvo XC90 is powered by an innovative range of 2-liter 4-cylinder engines. This particular model features the 1,968 cubic centimeters B420 T5 petrol engine. This turbocharged engine, specified for the Japanese market, produces an output of 254 PS and 350 Newton-meter of torque. The real-world range easily exceeds 850 kilometers thanks to the generous 71-liter fuel tank. In practice, this equates to an average combined fuel consumption of 7.9 liters per 100 kilometers. All 2.0-liter petrol and diesel engines are paired with the excellent 8-speed Geartronic automatic transmission from Aisin. This gearbox takes full advantage of the powertrain's potential, providing smooth acceleration from low revs. Its automatic transmission is designed to perfectly compensate for the heavy curb weight, which can vary between 2,078 and 2,343 kilograms, depending on the selected equipment. In addition, the driver has the freedom to change gears if desired. If you're looking for quality car at great price, visit BEFORWARD.JP. We offer a vast selection of vehicles to suit every taste and budget. You can also send your inquiries to top@BEFORWARD.JP.